It's been 1 hour since I left the car park. Still heading up. Here's the sign back to the car park. So 2.7 k's, took about 1 hour. As you can see, it's a bit longer to go down this one. I'm not going down there, I'm still heading up. Here's the view at this point, looking back at Kapiti Island. Parapara Umu. So I'm heading up here towards the rocks. Some interesting rocks here, just lying on the surface of the hillside. Whareroa Rocks. I am currently looking south towards Wainui. I'm not going to go there today, but I'll go there another time. Following that ridge up beyond the forestry.